Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Stinson and I am going to help you with multiplying rational numbers. Specifically, we're going to look at multiplying mixed number fractions and decimals. If you're thinking you've seen this problem before, it's because it was on your semester exam. The grocery store sells steak for $6.10 per pound. What would be the cost of 2 3/5 pounds of steak? If you're looking at this, you're probably noticing that I've got some rectangles down here. I'm going to use these rectangles to represent my problem. So I drug one of the rectangles up to represent 1 pound of the steak. Now I'm looking at 2 3/5 pounds of steak that's being purchased. So that means I'm going to need 2. So now I've represented 2 pounds of steak. Now, in order to represent the 3/5, I'm going to need another bar or another rectangle or another strip, whatever name you want to call it. All right, so now I've kind of represented my 2 3/5. So I know that the first pound is going to be $6.10. So I'm going to write that number right there, because it's $6.10 per pound. So for each pound, I'm going to write $6.10. Now, on this last one, I've represented my 2 pounds of steak. Now I've got to represent the 3/5. So I know that 3/5 is a little bit more than half. So I'm going to divide this in half because I can do halves of things very easily. And I'm going to just put a dotted line here just to remind myself that's where I need to be. So I also know that half of $6.10 is $3.05 because I know half of 6 is 3 and half of 10 is 5. So if I'm just looking at what my estimations that I have so far, I've got $6.10 plus $6.10. Well, that math isn't too difficult. I can add these numbers and say, okay, I know that 10 cents plus 10 cents is 20 cents, and I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. Once I've done that, I know that answer G cannot be correct because I haven't even got to my 3/5 yet, my 3/5 of a pound yet, and I already know that just these 2 pounds together is more than answer choice G, and it's also more than answer choice J. So if I add on this half pound, I've already ruled out 2 of my answer choices. If I look at this half pound of $3.05 and I add it on, I can tell that that would be $15.25. Once I've done that, so 2.5 pounds, which is still less than my 2 3/5 pounds. It's a little bit less, but that is still more than this. So my only possible answer choice would be F, since I know that the only one of these answer choices that is more than $15.25 is $15.86.